Welcome friends, we are doing an unboxing and setting up these OEDRO floor mats for the Honda Civic. So this comes with a rear seat, trunk mat, and passenger side, front and driver side mats. So I'm going to go ahead and get the driver side mat in here first. Look at that. So these are super handy. If any of you guys had cloth floor mats before, they get dirty really quickly and they're not easy to clean. These mats fit perfectly. They're going to protect your carpet and they're super easy to clean. If they do spill something in, they're going to hold all the beverage there, the liquid, so it's not going to ruin your carpet or get spilled other places. Got this nice deep trough here that's, I believe these are laser measured, so this fits perfectly. If you spill anything in there, it's going to be all held in here and it's not going to soak into your carpet. If it does get a little muddy or whatever, you can just pull them out and hose them off with a pressure washer and stick them back in there. Here is the passenger side mat. Once again, I like the logo on there on the side. It looks really nice. And you can see this is really professionally done. It matches everything, nice black color of the grooves in there. It's going to keep your car nice and clean. And here is the trunk mat. And it fits perfectly. Everything fits really nice in here. It's got the edges on there, so if you do spill something, like I said before, it's going to protect that. Your trunk fits super easy, and because it is rubber and not just like a fabric back here, if you go to vacuum this up, it's going to be like sand or anything like that, hair, dog hairs, cat hairs. It's going to come out of there a lot easier than your carpet. So once again, just a nice way to keep your car clean and an easier way and a faster way to clean it. And here is the rear seat mat. This is one solid piece, goes over the middle portion there, and plenty of room to put your feet on. All in all, my friends, just a really good investment to protect your car, to keep its value up, and to make it easier to clean. These floor mats are super nice. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you next time.